What is this you got out here today?
Well, the 1963 Nova that I took and LS swapped it and put a 6-speed Camaro manual transmission in it, put a Heights front end under the front, 12 bolt with lowering springs in the front and back, lowered it 2 inches. Had a friend of mine actually did the paint on the car. I did most all the sheet metal work on it. Had a full leather interior put in it, kept the bench seat, added a roll cage and stuff. It's got air conditioning, great car.
How long have you yourself been into cars?
Been in the car since probably 13, 14 years old. Started going to dirt track, watching dirt track racing, and had neighbors and friends that had muscle cars back in the 70s. So I grew up around it back then.
Your first car?
My first car was actually a pickup truck. It was a 1951 Chevy truck with a 283 4-speed in it. But I actually did not have it when I got my license. My mom was like, "That's too dangerous, you can't have that." So my first car when I was driving was actually a VW Beetle with old Volkswagen.
Fast forward to today, your dream car, what would that be?
My dream car today, probably Z06 Corvette, one of the new Z06s. I think they've perfected those cars to the point that they're in line with, a lot of the other high-end cars that are of this day. But one of those would be my dream car. Don't know if I'll ever have one, but would be a dream car.
This car right here, how long have you had it and how long did it take you to restore?
This car I've had since 2010, and it was just a shell when I got it. So I took and stripped it all the way down, had it medium blasted, took it all back to bare metal, and then it had some rust in it a little bit here and there, and fixed the rust in it, and took me about 6 years to get it back on the road to get it to this point. And so it's never done with it. I'm always kind of doing little things to it here and there, but as far as getting it back and running a driving car again, it took about 6 years.
So,
is this your first restoration?
No, I've done other ones, never as far as this.
Okay.
Most of them have been more driver quality, but I figured the older I get, I wanted to build something really nice sometime before I got too old.